Hey everybody, Richard here, aka Crash Course Hobbies. It's been a little while since I've sat down and talked to a camera. I think it's been probably a year and a half or 2 years since I've actually sat down and stared into a camera and had my lights set up and everything else. So it's weird, but also kind of nice to get back to it. So for those of you that may or may not be familiar, I had my main channel, Brain Bean, the tech channel that I did for many years, and that was so monotonous, and it was the same formula with every single review, and so I really just kind of burned out. And so it's been a while since I've talked to a camera. It's been a long time since I've done anything with YouTube, and to be honest, the idea of even sitting down and putting together a video and filming and editing and writing scripts and B-roll and all this stuff, I mean, there's a lot that goes into it, and it really, just the thought of it like weighs me down, and the burnout was really severe. So I decided to just kind of not pressure myself into it, and in fact, like, set up several times to kind of start doing videos again. But I think this time I'm really starting to feel it. So I want to go ahead and start getting some videos together, and I'm really excited to kind of show y'all what I'm going to do, but I want to do it a little bit differently this time. And even though I took a break from YouTube, I never took a break from the hobby. And so I spent a lot of time learning how to paint better and coming up with really cool project ideas. And there are several projects like my Thousand Sun Army here that I wish I would have filmed and shared with you guys, but there's going to be some really cool ones coming up. Now, the project I'm most excited about, and the one I'm working on right now, so you'll see it in the next video, but this is a goblin-themed Leagues of Votan combat patrol. So the idea is that the dwarves dug down too greedily and too deep and emerged into a kind of mixing of worlds here, but a Gloomspite gets cave essentially, and they bonked all the dwarves and took their power armor suits and stuff, and now we've got goblins inside the Leagues of Votan armor. So this is a project I'm really excited about, and I just started getting these guys primed and ready to paint. I've also got a couple of other things that we're going to be doing I'm really excited about. I just picked up a whole used Gene Stealer Colts army that I got at a super good price. So we're going to be kind of doing a bit of a rescue here, stripping these, repainting them, maybe do that as kind of like a marathon or a series, but I have a couple cool ideas for those guys as well. And so, yeah, I felt like there's some really neat things on the horizon, and I want to share those with you guys. Now, you might be saying to yourself, but Richard, aren't you going to get burned out again? That was stupid. So that's where things are going to get a little bit different. So I cut out basically every inefficiency in my filming process. In my old tech videos, I had independent audio recorders, boom mics, lots of different lighting setups, multiple cameras, and all these different things that in post had to get synced together and all these different things. For this channel, I want to try to make it as easy to sit down and record as possible. So I'm removing all the roadblocks. I've got integrated audio with my camera. So when I want to do talking head stuff now, it's all seamless, push one button, and I'm good to go. On my painting setup, it's the same kind of thing. I have my own camera for that. I've got my own audio and mic setup there. So for tutorials and things like that, push a button and start painting and talking. So I'm hoping that removing some of these roadblocks is going to make it easier for me to actually put out the videos that I want to make. And because of that, I'm going to need y'all's help on where you think I should start to take this. Now, I will say that right off the bat, my plan is to really only focus on the projects that excite me, because my biggest fear is having this channel and, kind of filming and mixing the YouTube with the thing that I do to de-stress and for fun, is that it's going to end up killing the hobby for me, and that would be an absolute disaster. So I'm going to be very careful about making myself paint stuff that I'm not excited about or different things like that. I think there's plenty of ways to frame videos and do stuff on models that I'm excited about. Now, with that in mind, I don't know if I'm going to rebrand the channel or keep it as Crash Course Hobbies. Originally the idea was bite-sized painting tutorials, quick and easy explanations and things like that, which I'll definitely still be doing some of that, but then if I'm doing kind of the more traditional, just painting and talking about stuff I'm doing, I don't know if that fits the Crash Course branding. I really don't know. I struggled with this with my tech channel, Brain Bean 2, for a long time, because Brain Bean's a stupid name, and I never expected it to blow up or become a tech channel, and then I kind of felt like I was stuck. So I want to rebrand it early if I'm going to be doing that, but also just not really quite so sure. So that's where we are with it. I'm going to try and not be too overly critical of myself and trying to always make everything so immaculate, every area so clean and camera ready, so professionally produced, and all this kind of stuff. And one of the things people always ask me about starting a YouTube channel is, they're, what cameras or what things should I do, stuff like that. And I'm always like, just start doing it. Doesn't matter what you have. Just get into the habit of making things, and you can get better and learn over time. So really what I'm trying to do here is take my own advice and dig myself out of my own slump by just making this intro video, dipping my toes back in as I start filming and painting up this Botan project. And hopefully it will kind of give me the motivation and excitement to get it out there for you guys. So that's where we are with Crash Course Hobbies. I'm looking forward to starting to put some stuff together, talk to the camera again. To be honest, around my area, there are really no people that play Warhammer or do the hobby after I moved. So kind of really looking forward to connecting with some of y'all online and sharing my hobby with people instead of doing it in my little isolated island. So in a way, I almost need y'all more need to share it with you than I do need to make the videos, if that makes sense. So I'm really looking forward to that and to see what you guys think. But yeah, let me know in your suggestions down in the comments what y'all want to see from me. And thank you so much for checking this video out. I hope you like the stuff that's coming in the future. Thanks.